Today we're checking out this Eufy Security SoloCam S220. Now for a quick unboxing. Right here is the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Also included is a mounting screws and mounting hardware. These are the camera mounting screw positioning card, and these are stickers that will help you mount the camera to the wall. Quick start guide that contains a product overview, charging, mounting, and support information. And right here is the Eufy Security SoloCam S220. This camera feels very solid and there's a bit of a weight on it. Maybe because of the built-in 6500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. And this is the built-in 0.9 watts solar panel that continuously charges the battery when exposed to sunlight. And part of the packaging is a film that protects the solar panel, as well as the front where the photosensitive sensor, microphone, camera lens, LED indicator, and motion sensor is located. And right the opposite side of the solar panel is the sync button and the USB-C charging port. And right above the charging port is the speaker that handles the two-way audio and the 75 dB siren. And right at the back is the mounting screw. You need to set up this camera first before mounting it to your preferred location. First, you need to download the Eufy app to your mobile device, then create an account. I already created an account, so I'm ready to register the camera. And to start registering this camera, just tap the plus sign on the top right corner, then add device. Then look for battery camera, then select it, and then look for SoloCam S220, then select. Then follow the on-screen prompts to register this device. You will need your Wi-Fi information for this registration. Once you complete the registration, you can now set up and change the configuration of this camera according to your preference. One important setting of this camera for me is the motion detection, because this triggers the notifications that you will be receiving. So I took my time and went through all these settings. This camera allows me to set my activity zone so I don't have to get notifications when there's motion on the areas that I don't really monitor. Now it's time to mount this camera. The top of this mounting hardware needs to be tightened so that the camera will stay in place. And this is what's inside this mounting hardware. I also decided to use a vinyl siding screw hooks because the siding of my house is vinyl and I don't want to screw this mounting hardware directly to my vinyl siding. And since I'm using this vinyl hooks, my mounting process is different from the quick start guide. So if you're going to screw the mounting hardware directly to the wall, please follow the mounting instruction from the quick start guide. And here's how I mounted my SoloCam S220, which is quick and simple without damaging my vinyl siding. I am very impressed with the build quality and the features that is included with the SoloCam S220. The 2K video quality is very impressive, and that includes detections at nighttime, whether you set it to human detection only or if you set it to detect every motion. Now when it comes to the audio quality, I'm not really expecting a high quality audio detection, but for me, it's clear enough to know and understand what I am hearing.
You can probably hear the cars passing through, and you can hear me loud and clear.
Eufy offers an optional monthly subscription for video cloud storage, but you can still optimize the use of this camera without it because this camera has a built-in storage of 8 gigabytes, but you can connect it to a HomeBase for more storage and management options. It's also IP67 weatherproof, so you can leave it outside on any weather. And the 6500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery can last for 3 months in full charge. But with a built-in solar panel, I don't have to worry about it running out of power. This Eufy SoloCam S220 is really one of the best no monthly fee security solution to protect your home. So guys, this is the Eufy SoloCam S220. Get yours today and thanks for watching.